Okay, so going over the components inside this HP, the HP is currently unplugged. And now I'm going to look at the fans right here. This is rather an extensive setup for fans. This is a little bigger than what you would typically see. And then we have here these two heat sinks for the two CPUs, responsible for keeping the CPUs nice and cool. We'll look at the CPU in a minute. And now we're gonna just get a close up here. These are rather big and extravagant because as you can see it's two CPUs surrounded by the RAM here. So like I said, we're only going to go over the main components here. So we're going to go here. Here's your GPU plugged into the motherboard, obviously. Now, sometimes people wonder, how do I know if it's a GPU? Which is a good question. So if we zoom in here to the GPU, you would follow it to the end, to the outside of the desktop. And if you can plug your monitor into it, that's your GPU. Pretty simple. Next, we're going to move over to the hard drive. Right here, we have the hard drive caddy. As you can see, there's room for more hard drive bays. I pull it out here and there's a solid state drive nestled in the bay. Next, we're gonna look at your Wi-Fi card. So the Wi-Fi card here is small. Not every desktop has this. Next, we have the CMOS battery. This coin-sized battery helps give a slight charge to your motherboard, saving settings, and can also be responsible for issues like a black screen issue. Next, we have your CPU and your RAM. Let's get it up close here. I'll remove one of these heat sinks, zoom in here, and this is what your CPU looks like. As you can see, there's some thermal paste in there, and then it's surrounded by the RAM. As you can see, there's a lot of RAM in this system because it's custom built, so there is quite a lot of sticks of RAM in here. So this is a little bit more than you would see in your average desktop. Next, this is the power supply. You can tell because it's where you plug your power cord into, because sometimes people wonder, well, how do I tell if it's a power supply? Well, that's where your computer power cord gets plugged into, which is a pretty good indicator. But anyway, that is what the inside of your desktop looks like.